Today we came to visit NathSagar Dam, or very specifically Jaikwadi Dam and the NathSagar Reservoir. Uh, this is the wall of the NathSagar Dam, and behind this wall we have a NathSagar Reservoir. Name of the dam is Jaikwadi Dam, which is around 5 kilometers ahead of this place from where I'm shooting this video. Now it's very difficult to walk on this because there are a number of cracks on this side. So I need to be very careful while walking on this. There is a small distance which I need to travel across on this difficult way. So just give me a break or a minute so that I can walk safely. Okay, so we are about to see the water of this reservoir. NathSagar Dam is the largest earthen dam in Asia, not only in India. It's the largest earthen dam in Asia. The length of this dam, that is build up structure, is around 10 kilometers. Around 5 kilometers south of the dam, south of the gates of the dam, and around 5 kilometers north of the gates of the dam. While the average height from the bed is around 40 meters. So bed is far deep where the water is there. So from the bed here average height is around 40 meters. Exactly it is 41 meters. So in general you can say 40 meters is the height of the built up structure. Now this dam is built with the help of stones. This area has can say abundant availability of the basaltic rocks. So those basaltic rocks are used for built up on both internal as well as external side of the dam, and below the rock bed the soil, particularly the black cotton soil, is used along with the different other cement and other structures. Now if you look at the water of this reservoir, its total water holding capacity is around 100 TMC, trillion metric ton. So it's a huge water availability in this area. Now, if we look at the backside of the water, the backwater extends up to the length of 60 kilometers from this wall. Now, here we have a wall, and from wall it is around 60 kilometers as a backwater. While the length of width of the water is around 35 kilometers from this side. Now, here we are on the southern side of the dam. Excuse me. From southern side to the northern side, that is from southern side very specifically on the border of Patan and Shevgaon Tehsil in Marathwada, to around a border of can say a northern side of the Patan Tehsil. This much is the width of this water. Now this dam and its water reservoir, that is NathSagar, plays key role not only in the irrigation of around 5 districts of Marathwada, namely Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, then Beed, Jalna, Parbhani, Nanded. Here, water is circulated through the northern canal and southern canal along with the river, and the northern side, that is left hand canal, extends up to the distance of around 200 kilometers, that is up to the Nanded, while the right hand canal extends up to 150 kilometers on the right side of the river course, and in between the river flows. So on both the sides of the river we have a left hand canal and right hand canal. Left hand canal is slightly lengthier, it extends up to the Nanded, far border of the Nanded, up to the Telangana state of the central India, and around 45,000 hectares of the land is irrigated with the help of water which is circulated through both the canals as well as the main river course. Right. Now here you will find one structure where the pumping stations are there. Now along with the irrigation water, this NathSagar reservoir also fulfills the demand of drinking water to number of towns and districts of Maharashtra. Now here we have an pipeline which uh, where the water is supplied for drinking purpose into the Shogao Tehsil of the Ahmednagar or Ahilyabai Nagar district, even Pathardi and number of other districts, tehsils of the Ahmednagar district. Such type of structure you will find even on the the right hand side or northern side of the dam, from where the water, drinking water, industrial water is supplied to Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar district, city, as well as the district overall industrial area, and even the Jalna industrial area, which is one of the district closer to the Sambhaji Nagar on the eastern side of the Sambhaji Nagar. Right. Now, as far as the water availability is concerned, here this dam remains filled for can say maximum time, but sometimes some drought can say years comes and the water level dips down, and that becomes a problem for the farmers very specifically, right? So here this is a Jaikwadi dam. Now if you look at the shape of this dam, built up structure, it's a S shaped structure. So from the northern Jaikwadi to the dam, and from dam to the southern Jaikwadi, the structure of this dam is S, and at the middle of the S there is uh, can say gates of the dam where around 36, 26 or 36, I don't remember exact numbers. There are 26 to 36 gates from where the water is drained into the river Godavari, which is the southern Ganga of India. Right. Now, on this dam, there is one small hydel power station with a power generation capacity of around 12 to 13 megawatts. So, one turbine is there with the help of which the power is generated, hydel power is generated. This dam has enough hydel power capacity, but as the main purpose with which the dam was built was for agricultural water storage. Here, the hydel power plants plant was not extended. Only one turbine is there. Uh, this dam was proposed during the tenure of our second Prime Minister, that is Lal Bahadur Shastri, who is also known for Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. So, for the farmers, he had dreams, and to fulfill those dreams, he constructed this dam. So, the construction was started in 1965, while the construction was completed in 1976 when Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister of India. Yashwantrao Chauhan, sorry, Shankarrao Chauhan, one of the prominent political figure who later on became the Home Minister of India also. He played a key role in construction of this dam. He cooperated with the central government in land acquisition and a lot of things which are associated with the multipurpose projects. So this is the largest multipurpose project of Maharashtra, or not only Maharashtra, the central India. As far as the water holding capacity is concerned, I told you that 100 TMC water can be holded in this when it is completely flooded. Right. So this is all about the Nath Sagar Reservoir and the Jaikwadi Dam. Myself, R. Santosh. So all IAS aspirants are expected to understand the things in detail, and while writing the questions very specifically on the multipurpose projects and all these, here you can mention examples of such type of dams and reservoirs. Kindly share this video, like it, and comment on this so that I'll be in a position to know whether you're watching it or not. Thank you.